Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share a project that I've done, actually an ATC card that I've done to enter into a 300 subby challenge giveaway, and it's being hosted by LunaCrafts. She's LunaCrafts here on YouTube, and to her channel in my description box below, so you can go check her out. All she's requested is a Halloween ATC card or a Christmas tag, and so I went with Halloween, but I did this is my ATC. This was a free printable that I just print out and fussy cut off of the internet, and this is a stamp set that I have from Kindred Stamps. And then the back of the paper, I used some alcohol ink and just spritzed it all over. I added this tree because I couldn't figure out what else to add here. And then it does have my information on the back. But yeah, so Sally and OOGIE. So this is my ATC card I am sharing with her. I did just include a little stuff. I kept it flat so I can pop it in the mail really quickly. And I did make these, so I am sharing some of my stamped images from Nightmare Before Christmas with her. And then this unicorn one that I had in my stash. So she can color, do whatever she wants with them. I did make this little notebook for her. I saw someone with the seamstress pins add a sequence to them, and so that's what I did, and I added it to the web, spider web, just for, you know, something. I also added seed beads on mine too. I did get these skulls and this web from Tuesday morning, and then I forget what paper this paper is from, what paper pack. But I just took apart a Dollar Tree notebook and, you know, took some of the pages and then added a scrapbook page. And then added some more pages and another scrapbook page, folded it in half, and then stapled along the middle there. So just a little notebook. I guess she loves Halloween, but I do too. So, and then I just added some of, oh yeah, so I stuck this in here. And then I just added some of the seam binding that I was graciously gifted from Donna Dreams ×3 here on YouTube. And I will leave her link to her YouTube channel in the description box below. She actually had a series on how to make these. And I'm hoping, because I'm using them all up, I am running out in my stash. So I'll have to replenish mine. But yeah, if you're new here and you like what you see, please consider subscribing and joining me on my crafty journey. And if you're returning, give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. So this is my entry. Like I said, I will put her link to her YouTube channel so you can go and find out how you can help her celebrate her 300 subbies. It doesn't close until June 15th, so you still have time. And until the next video, shakas!